Cow. Cow young one is called a calf. Sheep. Sheep young ones is called a lamb. Horse. Horse young one is called a foal. Deer. Deer young one is called a fawn. Cat. Cat young one is called a kitten. Dog. Dog young ones is called a puppy. Elephant. Elephant young one is called a calf. Zebra. Zebra young one is called a zebra cart. Pig. Pig young ones is called a piglet. Duck. Duck young ones is called a duckling. Monkey. Monkey young ones is called infant or cub. Fox. Fox young ones is called a fox cub. Lion. Lion young ones is called a lion cub. Frog. Frog young ones is called a tadpole. Kangaroo. Kangaroo young ones is called a joy. Rabbit. Rabbit young ones is called a kit or bunny. Goat. Goat young ones is called a kid. Panda. Panda young ones is called a panda cub. Giraffe. Giraffe young ones is called a calf. Bear. Bear young ones is called a cub.